In a daring effort to reimagine premium mobility, Maserati is changing gears towards an electric future. Following setbacks in their early electrification initiatives, the Italian carmaker has now revealed a strategy that puts them in the driver's seat of the industry. The plan stands out because Maserati is determined to make sure that every model is made in Italy, from design to development to manufacturing. This strategy goes against the grain. It's about rewriting the history of luxury automobiles with an emphasis on electrification as the central theme. Maserati claims that electric mobility is their top priority. Their long-term goal is to meet the changing needs of high-end car buyers by developing a wide variety of electric vehicles. Electric versions of the GranTurismo Folgore and the Grecale Folgore have already been introduced to Europe by Maserati. But that is only the start. Later this year, the GranCabrio Folgore will join the roster, adding open-air electric driving as the firm gets ready to introduce it. The MC20 Folgore, an electric variant of their best-selling sports car, is scheduled to make its debut in the year 2025. An E-segment electric crossover from Maserati is planned for release in 2027, marking the brand's entry into the premium crossover market. The classic quattruport will also join the electric range by 2028, further demonstrating Maserati's dedication to an all-electric portfolio. Maserati is pouring a lot of money into its Modena plant to back this ambitious overhaul. The Fuoriserie customization program, which lets clients construct personalized automobiles tailored to their particular tastes, will be hosted at this facility, which will also undergo renovations. Additionally, Maserati is stressing how special it is, as it is the sole luxury brand under the Stellantis umbrella. Even if they switch to electric power, they can keep their dominant position in the luxury car sector thanks to this status, which gives them a stable business model. Maintaining its high-end appeal in the face of a dynamic market requires Maserati to strike a delicate balance between production quantities and profitability. The ambition was shared by Maserati CEO David Grasso, who stated that the company is exerting maximum effort to spearhead the transition to electric. He emphasized that they had fully electric versions of two of their most famous models available now, and that they are working on even more powerful and exciting cars. Maserati sees electric mobility as only the beginning of a new age in which luxury performance cars may redefine driving enjoyment and push the envelope of what is possible.